Anytime I see or hear something that excites me, I tend to make a particular sound. I call it the Huffy sound. When they call me a good boy. When they say it's time for walkies. When Daddy comes home from work. When your fursuit crush slides into your DMs. When it's tuggy time. When they squish you with their feet paws. Shove your paws into my face. When you find out they have a mersuit. Mrr. Every time you like this tweet. Each time I log into E621. When they tell me they're gonna give me the cummies. Oh yeah. Every time I get thrown into horny jail. So what makes you want to make the Huffy sound?